What is up, beautiful people? Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to be that guy who everyone brings their deals to. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up, mastering this process will make you the go-to person for selling deals. And trust me, once you master it, the opportunities will start pouring in. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. The name of the strategy that gets you started is micro flipping. Micro flipping is all about connecting wholesalers who have deals with buyers who are ready to purchase. Imagine this, you connect with hundreds of wholesalers who have deals they need to offload, and you have an army of cash buyers ready to snatch them up. Your job, build the best, fastest system to connect the two. If your system sucks, no one will want to do business with you. It's just the truth. It's like running a matchmaking service, but for houses instead of people. Think of it this way. Wholesalers are constantly looking to offload properties as quickly as possible, and buyers are hungry for a good deal. Your role is to step in and make those connections seamlessly. But, and this is a big but, if you're not organized and efficient, they'll move on to someone who is. All right, now that we've got the basics of what microflipping is, let's talk about how to actually find wholesalers. This part is crucial because without wholesalers, you don't have any inventory. So first things first, you've got to find the wholesalers. And the best place to do that? Facebook groups. Search for groups like Off-Market Deals Sacramento, Wholesaling Real Estate Sacramento, Fix and Flip Deals Sacramento. Once you're in, add 80 people per day. Yes, I said 80, and shoot them a message like, hey, I'm a real estate investor looking for fix and flips. Got anything? And boom, they'll either be a wholesaler, a buyer, or an agent, and putting them in the right bucket for follow-ups later is key. Other goldmine sources include Craigslist. You can search for fixer-uppers in your city. Meetup.com, RIA groups, networking in person is always an amazing way. And LinkedIn is amazing. You can search real estate investors or real estate wholesalers and then make it a goal to add at least 20 new wholesalers every single day. Discipline is key here. The more connections you make, the more deals you'll have access to. And don't forget to engage with these Facebook groups. Comment on posts, offer value, and establish yourself as a serious player. Once you've found wholesalers, the next step is following up and staying in touch. This is where most people drop the ball, but not you. Okay, you've got your wholesalers, now what? Follow up like your life depends on it. There's a couple ways to do this. Number one is you can manually text them from your phone. That's great if you're poor and don't have any money. You have to do it every 2 weeks, but it is very hard and gets overwhelming really quickly. Another option is use SimplSend. I know I promoted a ton in these videos, but it's the best CRM in the game. Shameless plug. It's exactly how I close deals and follow up with wholesalers. It automates the text and it drops voicemails in their phones, so you literally never can miss a deal. If you're interested in that service, the link will be in the description, but it makes everything automatic. Consistency is key here. If you aren't reaching out regularly, you'll be forgotten, and in this business, being forgotten means missing out on money, so please, please, please make sure you are following up. Next, now that you've got wholesalers lined up, let's focus on building your buyers list. Because let's face it, having deals without buyers is like having a car with no gas. I did a whole video on this that you can click down below if you want to see the whole video on everything to do there. But to summarize, tax record research, same Facebook groups, good old Google searches, and my favorite tool for this is InvestorBase. It pulls tax record data on every buyer matching your property type. You can get $100 off using the promo code in the description if you want to check that out. But either way, you want to build a solid list of buyers who are serious and ready to pull the trigger when a good deal comes their way. And just like with wholesalers, consistency in communication is crucial. Stay on top of their buying criteria and preferences. Once you got the buyers, the key to winning is speed and responsiveness. This is not a slow game, folks. Listen up, because I messed this up big time when I started. When a wholesaler sends you a deal, respond fast. If you snooze, you lose. You've got 12 to 24 hours max before someone else snags it if it's a really good deal. Use SimplSend. Manually blast texts, emails, and calls. Whatever it takes, just be faster than the next guy. This is where your system shines. If you can respond faster and more efficiently than your competitors, you'll earn a reputation as the go-to person for deals. Finally, once you've got your system in place, it's time to scale up and close more. Scaling is where things get exciting. Once you get the system running like a well-oiled machine, you can be closing deals left and right. 5, 10, 20 deals a month consistently. Remember, the wholesalers get the deals. You just need the system and the buyers. The more deals you close, the more wholesalers and buyers will trust you, and the cycle keeps growing. Success breeds success. Because once you have a reputation, people know who you are and they start talking about how efficient and well organized you are and how easily they can sell their deal by coming to you. And that is how you become the guy everyone brings their deals to. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more real estate, wholesaling, and flipping tips and tricks. And hey, comment below if there's anything you want me to cover next. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.